underway. I'm Evan Donovan, live in Chopper 9. We'll tell you what Carowinds crews are doing today and tomorrow to fix that cracked support beam. We are live in Chopper 9, right above the ride, which is right at the front of Carowinds, right next to the parking lot. And I want to take a shot from Sky Zoom right now so you can see exactly what we are looking at. No crews out there at the moment, but you can see a lot of equipment is out there, including a bunch of cranes. Carowinds officials explained earlier today how these repairs were going to happen, and we got video of it from Chopper 9 just a few hours ago. Here's what we could see from Chopper about 2 hours ago. They used cranes to securely hold and position the track in place while they lifted the existing column, the one that was cracked, out of its foundation. They actually did that using hydraulic jacks. Now that it's out, they're cleaning the foundation, making it ready for that new support column. It's being custom built by B&M, the Swiss company that made the 325. Carowinds tells us that column will arrive tomorrow. Once it does, crews will install it using precise alignment. Then they'll do a survey to, quote, accurately determine the elevations of the base plate. Well, from there, it is all about testing the ride to make sure it's safe before they reopen it. Carowinds, B&M, and a third party will all test and inspect the ride. You're taking a live look at the ride right now, actually, as we are back out here live. Once those three parties do their inspection, they're going to hand it over to the North Carolina departments. Those three parties do their inspection. They're going to hand it over to the North Carolina Department of Labor. They will do their inspection. We talked to the commissioner last week. He tells us they don't expect to fine Carowinds, and they will do a full inspection, everything from seat belts all the way to that new support column, before they issue a certificate of operation and the ride can reopen. No exact date on when that can happen at this point, but as you can tell, things are starting to get moving.